Alright, so now that we've restarted here, so go ahead and click out of this welcome. So to get to the Git perspective, which is where we want to go to clone the repository, you want to do Window, Perspective, Open Perspective, Other. And right here, Git. Okay. And you can see we'll add like a little thing right over here. So what we want to do is go to clone a new repository. We want to paste in this URL. So it's github.com/sanchez/JFiles. So if we click next, it'll tell you all this stuff. We just want to click next. And then you want to click this box right here, import all existing clip projects into after clone finishes. Finish. Alright, so now if we click this button right here, this is Java, we can see that it's now all here. So you might notice, oh no. Oh, well, if you click, there's a whole bunch of errors. This is okay. So what this is saying is, if we click this, you can see that we're missing dependencies. So to fix this, we click right here on JFiles, right click, and all the way over here, this is going off the screen maybe, but resolve. And so you can see down here, I've used resolving. It'll take probably a good 5 minutes. Alright, now that it's done, we can see that it's now finished. So there we go. Alright, so to commit to a project, what we first want to do is we'll make some kind of change. So the change I'm going to make is just right here. I'm going to do logger.info starting server. Alright, so we made our change, we're ready to commit. The first thing we want to do is ant all. Alright, so if we have to do it inside the command prompt, so we first have to change to this repository. So if you don't know where it's at, we can just go here, right click. If we go all the way down the bottom, you guys can't see it, but it says properties at the bottom of the list. Alright, and it's right here. So if we copy this, and we go back to our command prompt, if we do cd space quotation mark, and then we paste it in, quotation mark. Alright, so now we're here. So now if we do ant build, or we can do ant clean all, doesn't matter, it will run through. Now it's doing check style. If it has any check style errors, you have to fix it. If it has any find bugs errors, you have to fix it before you commit. So it says build successful. So that means we're ready to push to GitHub. We'll make our commit and then push it. Look okay. Alright, so if we go back to our Git perspective up here in the top right, so you can see right here, JFiles. So we right click, commit. We have unstaged changes and staged changes. So what happens is when we commit, everything in staged changes will be committed. So maybe we're working on a different file at 2 files at once, and we don't want to commit change to one of the files. We can do that. So right here is, this would be a list of all the files we've changed, but we only changed one file. So we drag it, and now it's in our staged area. So what we can do is we can double click on it, and if we do that, we can see, let me check this right here, or not. So if we double click on it, we can see what changes we made. So from this is our old commit, and this is our commit we're about to make. You can see that we add this line right here. So if we go ahead, we just say now logs when server starts. And we can say commit, or we can commit and push. In this case, I'm just going to commit, and we're done. We can also commit and push. And if we do that, it will just ask you for your login information. You put it in, and then we're good to go, and it'll push it to GitHub.